There is no official religion in Spain. The Spanish Constitution of 1978 abolished Catholicism as the official religion of the state, while recognizing the role it plays in Spanish society. Religious freedom is guaranteed by the Spanish Constitution. The religion most practiced is Catholicism, and other religions practiced in Spain are Islam, Judaism, Protestantism, and Hinduism. According to the 2005 Eurobarometer poll, 59% of Spaniards responded that they believe there is a God. 21% answered that they believe there is some sort of spirit or life force. 18% answered that they do not believe there is any sort of spirit, God, or life force. A survey published in 2019 by the Pew Research Center found that 54% of Spaniards had a favorable view of Muslims, while 76% had a favorable view about Jews. Although the practices of both Protestant Christianity and Islam have grown in Spain in recent years, Islam has seen significantly more rapid growth. Islam is now the second most widely practiced religion in Spain with approximately 1.9 million followers, which is roughly 4% of the population. Practitioners of Islam are more likely to actively practice their religion than Catholics in the country. Hinduism first arrived in Spain by Sindhi immigrants through British colony of Gibraltar in the early 20th century. There are about 40,000 to 50,000 Hindus in Spain, about 25,000 from India, 5,000 from Eastern Europe and Latin America, and 10,000 Spanish. There are also about 40 Hindu temples, worship places in Spain. Approximately 3% to 5% of the population practices one of these religions. Due to economic growth within Spain, the country has accepted large numbers of immigrants to help fill the gap in labor shortages. This increase in immigration has led to a change in the kinds of religions practiced in the country as well as a change in languages spoken and traditional cultural practices. Both Protestant and Islam followers have increased over the last few years.